A majority have started out as friends, neighbors, and we all grown to family. You guys have worked hard for a long time, and now we get to reap the benefits of all the hard work we put in. It's only going to get better from here, and I want to thank everybody here. Thank you very much.
I'm here to tell you guys this is going to be a great opportunity. Everything we're doing is we're moving up and moving out.
It's been a long road. It's been almost 20 years. Look at the team and the structure and the culture that we created. It was absolutely amazing. We're going to grow even more. We could do it, and we're going to do it.
Today's a big day for you. If you want to advance in your career and make more money, take on more responsibility, help us grow our business, this is a real opportunity for you today. When we win as a business and are successful, the men and women that drove that success, they're going to be paid. Fastest growing home services company ever created, you are an owner of this business. And what that means for each one of you and your families is impactful. You can literally change your life. And we have hundreds of examples of that at Groundworks.
Groundworks, you guys have got to be prepared for Jersey because we're going to blow you guys out of the water.